Welcome to Techstination. Joining us again is Rick Loughery, Vice President of Global Marketing at GoPro. Thank you for joining us, Rick.
Thanks for having me, Fred.
Big day for GoPro. Not one, but two new cameras and some add-ons as well being announced.
Yeah.
Give us an overview of what you're doing.
Yes, we've got today we announced the Hero 8 Black, so our follow-up to our flagship camera, Hero 7, Hero 8 Black. And then we also announced GoPro Max. This is our follow-up to Fusion, our 360 camera. But with GoPro Max, we really kind of took a different approach. It's really like having three cameras in one. I can explain a little bit more about that. But GoPro Max is the second camera we announced today. And then we also have some what we call mods, which are really cool accessories for Hero 8 that kind of click onto the camera. If you remember the backpacks, the GoPro backpacks that we used to make for HD Hero 2 and HD Hero 3 way back in the day, this is kind of a nod to that. And we're really excited about those as well.
Well, let's talk about some of the details. First of all, the Hero 8 Black. What's new and different here?
So the Hero 8 is definitely bringing some all new features that we're really excited about. Some of those are in the usability standpoint. What I mean by that is no longer will you need a frame to hold the GoPro in. We've built in fingers to work with our mounting systems, and those fingers are these little magnetic fingers that fold out from the bottom of the camera, make it super easy to travel with your GoPro so you don't have to remember your frame. It also makes the camera a little bit slimmer so it fits into your pocket nicely. And also with this new design, it allows us to put a microphone on the front of the camera where we couldn't put it before. So you're going to notice some clearly better audio from Hero 8 to Hero 7. Other new things are really on the stabilization standpoint. We have what's HyperSmooth 2.0, and really the only way to experience it is to actually see it. Words won't do it justice, but it truly is a big step from when we introduced HyperSmooth in Hero 7. This HyperSmooth 2.0 really takes it to the next level. As well as there's some other new cool features that we're excited about, like Time Warp 2.0, as well as Burst Photo Mode. Lots of improvement in Hero 8.
And this is arriving when, for about how much?
Yes, Hero 8 will be $399, and it'll start shipping. We're taking pre-orders today at GoPro.com, and it'll start shipping on October 15th.
Sounds awesome. And then on the heels of that, you've got the Hero Max. Tell us about it.
Yeah. Hero Max is really, like I said, it is three cameras in one. So it is the 360 camera, meaning it's got a lens on the front, a lens on the back, and that'll allow you to capture 360 spherical video. But it will also work what we call hero mode, meaning you can just have one camera, the front camera on, and the back camera off. Or you can easily toggle and switch the back camera on and turn the back camera off. And what this allows you to do is it makes it for great as a regular one lens camera, or it really gives you a lot of creative freedom to do things with two lenses that you can't do with just one lens. So yes, you could use it to shoot video for like VR, but really what we've seen from our users from our previous 360 camera is they're using it to really capture kind of standard flat 2D videos, if you will, but just getting really creative with what you can do with two cameras. So GoPro Max is really like no other camera in the world right now, and the app that comes with it makes it super easy for anybody to shoot this type of style photography and videography.
It sounds like what you've tried to do here is really make it a lot more versatile.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I think Max gives you that versatility, and it's really something we're excited about.
So tell us about when that will arrive and for about how much.
Yes, so that is pre-orders today as well, GoPro.com, and that'll be $499, and that'll start shipping. It'll be on store shelves and start shipping October 24th.
And one thing I don't think you mentioned is what you're doing on the audio front with that camera as well, which is pretty special.
Yeah, thanks for pointing that out. So we have placed microphones all around the camera that allow us to capture true spherical audio. It'll also allow you to switch the microphone so you can have a directional shotgun-like microphone aspect. So you can turn the microphones off in the back, have it focused on the front. It really is going to do things that that you could only do with add-on accessories onto other cameras. We were just using it the other day to record an interview outside in pretty windy conditions, and we were really blown away with the results we got.
Sounds awesome. Once again, it's the Hero 8 Black and the Hero Max. The Hero 8 Black arriving on the mid-month, 15th of October, and the Hero Max the end of the month. Is that right?
That's correct.
Awesome stuff. Rick Loughery, thanks so much for taking the time with us.
Thanks for having me.
Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.